If I made holiday greeting cards, mine would say something along the lines of, "This holiday season, trust no one." I know that seems a little extra, but I'm in cybersecurity and we're just a paranoid lot. Hey team, what's up? Alyssa here, and I'm here to give you a holiday online shopping PSA because I care about you guys. And also because my friend called me just this morning. She had a little something extra in her shopping cart, if you know what I mean. It was malware. It was bad. Shopping during the holiday season is inherently dangerous. And I'm not talking about this stuff. What is wrong with you people? Why are you so crazy? That type of shopping danger is not what we're here to talk about today. I want to talk to you guys specifically about online shopping dangers. Why is online shopping more dangerous during the holiday season? It's a game of odds. People are saying we're going to be spending online, and I think just in the States, anywhere between $250 and $275 billion between November 1st and December 31st. What that means is a lot more opportunity for those cyber criminals to get their hands on your money. There's two ways that we know of they are consistently trying. So way one, fake websites, fake goods. A threat actor, one of these bad guys, will set up a website that doesn't really exist. They'll lure you to this website with the promise of like especially cheap goods or especially good deals. So what are some of the signs that you might be on a bad website? These websites are put up kind of quickly. So if you know enough people are gonna fall for it, if it's like a kind of okay website, that's what you're gonna put up. Just throw something up and hopefully your net is big enough that you're gonna catch a lot of these fish. Yeah, you're the fish. So what can we look for? You might notice a few little things that throw you off. Maybe the navigation buttons aren't quite working. When you see the company logo, if you click on that, it'll bring you to a homepage of sorts. If stuff like that's not happening, that's a red flag. At the bottom of any website, like on the main page, you're gonna see stuff like, contact us, about us, FAQs. If you go down to the bottom of the page and either A, you don't see anything there like that, or B, you see those, but there's just text, they don't link to anything, once again, another red flag. A big one actually, especially if you're about to make a purchase, is the website you're on when you're making a purchase should always be secure. Depending on your browser, the symbols might be a little bit different. Right in front of the URL, the address of the website you're on, you should see a little lock, or Chrome now has this like little circuit things. But more importantly with Chrome, if it's not secure, they give you this nice big danger triangle with an exclamation mark now, and it says not secure. If you see the lock, but the lock is broken, that also means it's not secure. So what do I mean by it's not secure? There's no encryption in place as your system is speaking to that computer system. And we need that secure connection because you're transferring financial information. Now, there's a couple other little things that you could look for. If the payment process seems especially long, like there's all of a sudden extra steps, pressure to buy quickly. It's one thing to have a Cyber Monday deal that ends at the end of Monday. That makes sense. This deal is going to end in, 45 minutes from now. They're creating a sense of urgency. Make that purchase and take that action before that little shopper sense goes, no, there's something wrong here. And another thing is if it looks too good to be true, anytime where you have to stop and ask yourself, how are they even making money on this? There's a good chance that what you're looking at isn't a legitimate sale or purchase. So we've looked at some of the website stuff, but there's another avenue that we see get a little extra love during the holiday season. The threat actors, these cyber criminals, they're gonna send you a couple more phishing emails, some of them more specific to this time of year. If you're the type that makes a lot of online purchases via Amazon, they're gonna tell you your service has been paused, revoked, stopped. Basically, they're telling you there's something wrong with your account. You need to take action immediately if you want to access your account again. And to do that, click on this link and you have to verify your account information. They could be gunning for your account on that vendor site, or they could ask you to confirm your financial information. If there's something still in the back of your head that's like, oh my gosh, what happens if they're taking away my Netflix over the holidays? Not through the email. Go through your Netflix account how you normally would, log in, check your messages. Any of these services are gonna have a way for you to validate outside of your email whether there's something going on with your account. Call. That's what I usually tell clients. If you're not sure, kick it old school. Like just talk to somebody. You can sort that out right away, and that way you have the peace of mind, but you also didn't fall for the phishing scam. Another thing, and this makes me sad that we see more this time of year, the charity scam. Sometimes the people will use a pre-existing charity. Sometimes they'll make up a charity. They're gonna reach out to you and ask you for money, but that money is not legitimately going to that charity. Anytime you get an email like this, either call the charity or go directly to the charity's website. If enough of these scams have come out against a specific charity, what you're going to see at the front of their website is actually a note about this. The last type of email phishing campaign that we see kind of blow up a bit this time of year, you've won a thing. Any type of email that you get in saying, you won the raffle or the draw, or you were randomly picked and congratulations, you're the winner of. So the angle here for money is a couple things. We need to validate your information to make sure you're who we think you are so you can pick up your prize or we can send it to you. They'll try to gain some of your information that way, financial and personal. There's a kind of a simpler form of this where they take just a small percentage of what that value of that prize would be and they tell you, we can send it to you, but there's just a small processing fee or a specific shipping fee. Send us that, then we're going to send you your thing, which of course they never send you. How can you protect yourself? Anytime your little shopper sense goes off, take a second to listen to it. The moment that you see something that seems a bit odd, just pause, take a breath, take a moment to look into it. If you see an amazing deal but you're not sure the company, look into the company. Give yourself the time to look into it so that you don't fall victim to an online scam this year. I also suggest staying hydrated and maybe stretching. Online shopping can be rough, man. You gotta take care of yourself so you can take care of others. Till next time, stay safe out there, my friends. Cheers.